cold start for the boys. There we go. So we gotta take a real quick trip to O'Reilly's. Does this have AC? What? Does it have AC? Oh wow, that's bad. But we gotta make a trip to O'Reilly's, grab a couple detailing things for another video. So we'll make a little trip out of it. We made it to O'Reilly's, we grabbed what we needed. Now we're gonna go back and get this video actually started. Okay guys, welcome back to a new YouTube video. Today we're just gonna go about showing you how to detail your engine bay, just with a couple of basic things. You don't need a whole bunch of stuff that everybody I feel like makes you think you need. We're just gonna have a pressure washer. You can use a garden hose, and then just different cleaners like a degreaser. I'm gonna use a brush to get off all the loose dirt, and then just some smaller brushes to get into the finer spots. So yeah, also we have to clean the entire FRS because it has been way too long since I've been in this car. Like, as you can see, we have a new little spoiler right here made of dirt. Alrighty, so as far as supplies go for the exterior wash and the shampoo, everybody's favorite, the foam cannon, using Adam Polish's Ultra Foam shampoo. And then in my bucket I have Mr. Pink by Chemical Guys, just soap. And then I have the greaser and my pump sprayer for the engine bay, big brush to get rid of all like major dirt, just loose dirt and stuff, and then a little like bristle brushes to get into the tighter spots, and then obviously the pressure washer is basically all you would need to detail your engine bay. I mean, you can just use a normal hose, which would work just fine, but I have a pressure washer, so I'm going to use that pressure washer while I can. But yeah, so here is the video of cleaning the exterior because it needs it. Just saw that quick little time lapse of me cleaning the exterior of the car, but look at the clean exterior compared to the engine bay. This is so flippin' dirty. It's gonna be a perfect candidate for the before and after. So I'll get you guys some before shots. I will walk you guys through each step and then give you a little bit of a time lapse of each step. So step one, get the loose dirt off with a brush or something like that. Alright, so the first step after you try and get as much off with a brush as you can. You can also use an air compressor too. That'll probably be a whole lot easier, but I don't have one. So right after that, we're gonna go ahead and do the initial spray down using either your hose or your pressure washer, like in my case, and just try and knock down as much as you can just from the pressure of the water and rinsing it off. And after that, that's when we get into the fun stuff. That's when we get to start using the sprayer and all that good stuff. So step one, or step two, pressure washer. move on to the degreaser and agitation. So using your different brushes to get into the nooks and crannies, all that good stuff. And that helps quite a lot.
You can do whatever you like. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be
Alright, as you guys saw, we just got done using the brushes and also using the degreaser. That got a lot of the stuff off and made it look super clean. So yeah, here's our final product. As you can see, it that is just a whole new game. Like it just looks 15 times better. Everything is just super clean and matte, which is what we like with Engine Bay Plastics. You want a matte finish. Matte finish means you're doing something right. I think that's gonna wrap today's video up. As you guys saw, it was just a good video on how to get your engine bay cleaned up. It doesn't have to be super serious, doesn't have to be all crazy, but it just looks a million times better. And if you're going to a car show or anything, just do it really quick before you leave. It'll make a whole world of difference. It's going to be the end of today's video. I want to thank you guys for sticking around and watching the videos. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Leave a like if you want to, it helps a lot. And leave a comment. I want to get talking to you guys. See if you have any questions. Go ahead and send them my way. I'll respond as quick as I can. I typically do right after a comment gets hits the comment section. But yeah, thanks for sticking around. I will see you guys later.